Good day, viewers. We are back again on this edition, chemistry, and we are going to be looking at this topic, mass volume relationship. And in mass volume relationship, a student contacted me through my email and sent me this question, and I'm very happy to see response from a student, a junior. I'm going to solve your question now. Now the question was, calculate the number of mole of calcium chloride that can be obtained from 30 grams of calcium triazocarbonate 4 in the presence of excess hydrochloric acid. We are giving calcium to be 40, carbon to be 12, oxygen to be 16, and hydrogen to be 1, and chlorine to be 35.5. So this is the question that was sent to me by Junior through my Gmail, and I'm going to solve it. But before I do so, don't forget, always make a comment about every video I make. Then tell us how you feel about the video. Then don't forget also subscribe and share our video. And if you have questions like Junior, you can also post it through the comment box. Now let's solve this question. We have a given question. This question is particularly under a mass volume relationship, and if you have your textbook, you can see some of questions related to this topic. Now the first thing you need to know there is that you are asked to calculate the number of mole of calcium chloride. Then again, you should also observe that the reaction was between calcium triazocarbonate 4 and hydrochloric acid. So the first thing you will do here is to know, we are asked to know how many mole will be produced from this, how many mole of calcium chloride will be produced from triazocarbonate 4 in excess hydrochloric acid. So that is what they asked us to do. We are asked to find how many mole of calcium chloride will be produced from calcium triazocarbonate 4 in excess hydrochloric acid. So the first, since we are giving the mass of calcium triazocarbonate 4, let's know the mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4. So where do you have the calcium triazocarbonate 4? Calcium triazocarbonate 4, we have the mass to be 30 G. Let's know the relative molecular mass. So the relative molecular mass of calcium triazocarbonate 4 is equals to 100. So relative molecular mass of calcium triazocarbonate 4 is equals to what? 100. And how did I get my 100? Calcium is 40 plus carbon, which is 12, plus oxygen, which is 16 times 3. And if you add, or if you sum up together, you're going to have 100. So let's now know the mole. So the mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4 is equals to 30 over 100, which is the same thing as 0.3 mole. 0.3 mole. So we now know the mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4, but we are not asked to find the mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4. We are asked to find the mole of calcium chloride. So we are going to balance the chemical equation that involves calcium triazocarbonate 4 and excess hydrochloric acid, because the question, so we balance, we have calcium triazocarbonate 4 reacting with excess hydrochloric acid. So this is the chemical equation that shows, and of course we are going to have calcium chloride. We're going to have calcium chloride, and we're going to have water, and we're going to have carbon 4 oxide. Now these are the chemical equation that is derived from the equation. Now we are asked to find how many mole of these will be produced from this with excess of this. Now this is the chemical. If you check our equation is well balanced and such. From the equation above, from the equation, we observe that 1 mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4 will produce 1 mole of calcium chloride. So if 1 mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4 will produce 1 mole of calcium chloride, then therefore means that 0.3 mole of calcium triazocarbonate 4 that we have solved for will also produce 0.3 mole of calcium chloride. So the answer to this question is that a simply 0.3 mole of calcium chloride will be obtained. Ladies and gentlemen, hope it's clear. This is how we come to the end of this question. Junior, hope you understand what I saw. I'll see you next time. Next time, please don't forget to always subscribe and share our videos and make your comments. Thank you.